Welcome to our channel. If you received a First Republic employee card and need to activate it by phone, follow this quick guide to get your card ready for use in minutes. Step 1. Locate the activation phone number provided with your First Republic employee card. This number is typically printed on a sticker attached to your card or in the welcome documentation you received. Step 2. Have your First Republic employee card and personal identification information ready before calling. You'll need your card number and verification details during the call. Step 3. Using your mobile or landline phone, dial the First Republic card activation hotline. The call should be toll-free and available 24 hours a day for your convenience. Step 4. Listen carefully to the automated voice prompts when your call connects. Select your preferred language if given the option. Then choose the menu selection for card activation. Step 5. When prompted by the system, enter your complete 16-digit First Republic employee card number using your phone's keypad. Input each digit carefully to avoid errors. Step 6. Provide the requested verification information, which may include your date of birth, employee ID number, the last 4 digits of your Social Security number, or your billing zip code. Step 7. If required, create and confirm a 4-digit PIN for your card. Enter your chosen PIN twice when prompted by the system. Make sure it's a number you'll remember, but others won't easily guess. Step 8. Listen for the confirmation message indicating your First Republic employee card has been successfully activated. The system may also inform you of your credit limit and other account details. Your card is now ready for purchases and business expenses. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.